Now let's move on to the second portion of this exercise where we are going to discuss short questions and answers. Answer the following questions. What was the color of the overcoat of the young man? The answer is, the color of the overcoat of the young man was brown. Second question is, how did he look like? The answer is, he looked like a gentleman who had soft, shiny hair and wore sideburns with a thin moustache. He wore a brown overcoat with a cream-colored, half-open rose in its buttonhole, white scarf, a flat green hat and carried a stick. The third question is, why did the people come out on the mall? The people came out on the mall in order to seek comfort in pleasure. They could enjoy the scene on the road, walk and keep themselves warm in the cold weather. Fourth question is, who were the people wearing such dress and had come on the mall? Every type of people, including the fun lovers, the wanderers and the lonely ones, had come on the mall to join the cheerfulness of the streets. Fifth question is, why was the cat shivering? The answer is, the cat was shivering because it was a very cold night. Sixth question is, why did the driver of the truck speed away after the accident? The answer is, the driver of the truck sped away after the accident because he feared that he would be caught and arrested if he stopped. The next question is, who took the young man to the hospital? The answer is, a crowd of people gathered at the site of the accident. A police inspector also came there. They stopped a car and the young man was loaded into it and was taken to hospital. The last question is, what kind of music was played in one of the restaurants? The answer is, an orchestra was played in one of the restaurants. So we are done with the short questions and answers as well. I hope you have understood all these answers. Thank you.